the appointment of the Delhi representative also not a problem. See, who is our governor? He's not a Tamilian. Every time a man from outsider or outside states are governing Tamil Nadu equal to or less than our chief minister. So, moreover, when MGR was as a chief minister, he nominated Mr. Aisari Velan, Mr. Tiruchi Soundarajan, who were a subordinate actor under him. So, it is his prerogative, our CM's, he is right to appoint as anybody. If that's for 1 year only. He is from Andhra, but he is connected with Tamil Nadu and Delhi. A man who is having hold with central leaders is the suitable person. So he will do his duty as our CM appointed.